In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Grammarly to UK English. Whether you're working on an important document or just running through daily writing tasks, ensuring your language settings align with your audience is essential. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can make sure your Grammarly account is set to British English. First, you'll want to open Google Docs where you have the Grammarly extension installed. This will provide you with a seamless interface to change your settings. Now, once you have your document open, take a look at the upper right corner of your toolbar. You should see an icon that looks like a small green G. This is the Grammarly icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, within this menu, locate the settings gear icon. This is where you can customize Grammarly to best suit your writing needs. Give that icon a click. Now you'll find yourself in the settings section, which is filled with different customization options. What we're looking for here is the I write in option. Scroll down if necessary until you find this section, as it's crucial for setting your language preferences. Once you've located that section, click on it to reveal the language options. You want to select British English from the list. Clicking on this option ensures that all your spelling, grammar and punctuation checks will be in line with UK standards. Now, if you find you want to explore more comprehensive settings, there's an option for you. Look for a button named All Settings. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to the Grammarly website where more detailed adjustments can be made. On the Grammarly website, head over to the section labelled Writing. This is where you can make further refinements to your language settings. Click on it to expand your options, then click on the Language Settings option. This is crucial as it allows you to define your primary language settings in more detail. Once there, you'll need to set your primary language to English. Then move on to specify the dialect. Confirm that your choice is British English. This ensures that Grammarly recognises this as your default style of English and corrects accordingly. Finally, once you've set everything to British standards, you're ready to go. With these settings adjusted, you'll be writing in perfect UK English in no time. Whether it's spelling differences like colour instead of colour, or adjusting punctuation rules, you'll be set up